If Opera is crashing with a fatal error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a quick and effective way to get it running again. We're going to try two simple fixes. First, turning off hardware acceleration inside Opera and then resetting Opera's user profile so the browser can launch like a fresh install. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, if you can get Opera to stay open for even a few moments, open the browser and go straight into settings. The easiest way to do that is by clicking the menu in the top left or top right, depending on your version, and then selecting settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page and click on system. This section contains the performance and graphics options that can sometimes cause Opera to fail on startup. Now, look for the setting that says use graphics acceleration when available. This is also known as hardware acceleration, and it can sometimes trigger crashes or fatal errors, especially if your graphics driver is outdated or incompatible. Toggle this option off. After that, Opera will ask you to relaunch the browser to apply the change. Go ahead and click Relaunch. This is important because the setting won't fully take effect until Opera restarts. If Opera still gives you a fatal error after that, the next step is to reset its local profile data. Don't worry, this does not uninstall the browser itself. It simply forces Opera to rebuild its user folder, which can fix corrupted settings, damaged cache files, or broken startup data. To do this, close Opera completely first. Make sure it is not still running in the background. Now open the Run box on your Windows computer by pressing Windows key plus R. In the Run window, type %appdata %/Opera software / and press Enter. This will take you directly to Opera's application data folder. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Opera Stable. This is the main profile folder that stores your browser settings, extensions, cache, and user data. Once you find Opera Stable, right-click it and rename it to Opera Stable Old. Renaming it like this keeps a backup of the original folder in case you ever need to restore anything later. It also tells Opera to create a completely new profile the next time it opens. After renaming the folder, launch Opera again. At this point, Opera should open like a brand new installation. You may need to sign in again, and some of your settings or extensions may need to be reconfigured, but the fatal error should now be fixed if the problem was caused by a corrupted profile or graphics setting. This is one of the most reliable ways to get Opera working again without reinstalling the browser from scratch. If Opera is still not opening properly, double check that you renamed the correct folder and that the browser is fully closed before making changes. In many cases though, these two steps are enough to solve the issue quickly. If this video helped you fix the Opera fatal error, please give it a like and subscribe for more computer tutorials, browser fixes, and helpful Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.